dawn we wake in eucalyptus blue, old fingers in the mist. We knew these hills before the roads, before the fences split the land. How babies cling to fur and breath as the treetops thin to a sigh. We taste the morning on the wind and call the names the elders knew. The forest went quiet and quieter still, where fruit once hung now concrete spills. We keep our hearts in motion, we keep our young close to the chest. We are not strangers here, we are what is left. Guard us, remember us, we are the children of this earth. Guard us, remember us, we are the fire in the dark, not invaders, not shadows, only the land with a voice. Guard us, remember us, before the last green falls away. I cross the roofs with my mother's eyes, my sister on the next tile ridge. A baby rides like a hidden moon on the back of her steady grace. We search the gardens for ripe red gold, where wild figs used to blaze. Humans stand still on the fences and poles, watching our hunger pass. We learn your silence, we learn your towns, we learn the wires and the broken ground. But in our bones there's a river older than your names. We carry the old kingdom in every leap hills before the roads, before the fences split the land. How babies cling to fur and breath as the treetops thin to a sigh. We taste the morning on the wind and call the names the elders knew. The forest went quiet and quieter still, where fruit once hung, now concrete spills. We keep our hearts in motion, we keep our young close to the chest.